This is on for Wood. Wood trying to get the better of Cody. He's got a chance here, Wood. Looks to hook it in! Burnley lead! What a finish from Chris Wood! He took his chance ever so well. Burnley have got that early goal. His 8th of the campaign. Traore will win the next ball. Got his back to goal, but Burnley have won it. They've nicked it. Can they finish here?
Yes!
They can! It's 2-0, and it's Chris Wood again. Error at the back for Wolves. Square for Chris Wood. And there's daylight for the Clarets. Loves playing against Wolves. Wolves 0, Burnley 2. Now then, corner. McNeil with it. He'll swing this in. Gets it in the middle there.
Yes!
Goal for the Clarets. It's Wood's hat-trick. What a goal for Burnley. Big goal for the Clarets. They're 3-0 up here at Molineux. Great corner from McNeil. Wood rose well. Fantastic header. And Rodriguez has nicked it, and Burnley will drive forward. Rodriguez in the box now. He's got Wood for support. Will it fall here for Wood? Helps it up for Westwood. That's 4. What a finish from Ashley Westwood. Super finish. Smashes it past Patricio. Westwood's got the 4th. Set up this time by Chris Wood. Wolves 0, Burnley 4.